Namaste ji, namaste. Welcome to a session of Courtroom. Now, whenever you see Courtroom on this channel, iska matlab hai that specific lecture or session is associated with judiciary prep. So this we have already discussed in one former episode of TLY talks about how to start with judiciary, but now let us just update it. Now, judiciary preparation is pretty much akin to UPSC preparation, just that the level of competition you can say can कि थोड़ा सा कम है, but if I see the syllabus, it is quite vast, especially when it comes to procedural laws. When I'm shooting this video, the West Bengal Judicial Services notification is out, and that has been notified on our app called Courtroom. I'll link everything down below in the description. Now, if I were you, so many of you made it to law schools last year. I'm talking to the 2020 batch, and now after almost 1.5 to 2 semesters of the 3-year batch, you pretty much are in a position to start off your judiciary prep क्योंकि अब आपको बैराक वैराक पढ़नी आती है and you pretty much know what sort of a monster you're dealing with here. Now, if I were in your shoes, would have started my judiciary prep. Obviously, बैराक्स reign supreme as we always say. तो ये BA वो Bachelor of Arts नहीं है, it's Bare Act plus case laws. So for example, from the Bare Act, you pick up Article 12 and then you pick up the associated case laws, which is another approach that I follow in a LLM entrance prep because I don't find it any different than a judiciary prelims, just that LLM की entrance में the procedural aspects or the procedural laws पे उतना ज़्यादा stress नहीं होता, but rather much more importance is given on international law, much more importance is given, for example, on jurisprudence, much more importance is given a bit on environmental law. Environmental law खैर it's a very limited case laws वहाँ पे पूछे जाते हैं, but that is pretty much how it differs. Now, if I were you, as I was saying, कि मैं कहाँ से शुरुआत करूँगा, मेरे को ये बेयर एक्ट वाली अप्रोच हम लोगों ने LLB एंट्रेंस लेवल पे भी अडॉप्ट करी हुई है पूरी तरह से. नाउ दैट इज बिन क्वाइट इवॉल्व नाउ. एनीबडी हु हैज स्टडीड अंडर अस would have known bare acts and how to read bare acts and what all to do. So you guys pretty much are one step ahead when it comes to bare act. In fact, this year wala sara batch has been trained under bare act, so it's giving you a very significant advantage any which way because it's pretty much the same odd thing. So the easiest subjects I would say for preparation is constitution, contracts, torts, right? I'm sure you'll agree. Contracts के अंदर आप ऐड कर लीजिएगा स्पेसिफिक रिलीफ एक्ट, सेल्स ऑफ गुड एक्ट, या से SGA कर लेते हैं इसको, सेल्स ऑफ गुड एक्ट, स्पेसिफिक रिलीफ एक्ट, SRA and partnership act. Now, mind you, this is the easy stuff. Why? Because if you did take a LLB entrance, mind you, you would have done these any which way, inside and out. It's pretty much the same thing. Just that you have to now add your semester wale case laws. Primarily speaking to students of TLOI who have prepared for LLB entrance and basically enrolled in a law school, you already know all of these things in and out. एड ऑन टू केस लॉज आपकी ये वाली तैयारी काफ़ी अच्छे लेवल पे हो जाएगी. ऑलमोस्ट लगा लीजिएगा कि 70 से 80% पे हो जाएगी. बाकी 20% कहानी क्या रह गई, दोज निबंध टाइप आंसर्स. जैसे वेस्ट बंगाल जुडिशल सर्विसेज के अभी जैसे नोटिफिकेशन आई है तो 5 अगस्त आई बिलीव उसकी लास्ट डेट है. तो वहाँ पे जैसे जो ऑप्शनल पेपर आपको पिक करना है, एवरी स्टेट हैज़ अ डिफरेंट फॉर्मेट, बस सिर्फ और सिर्फ वही राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस आपकी रह जाती है प्लस द इंटरव्यू एक्सेट्रा. But what you have to then keep a track of कि मान लेते हैं कि if you are waiting for a notification of vacancy for next year, then you have to keep a track of current affairs. So for example, the Supreme Court comes out with a judgment on 364A like it has done in the last 2 odd weeks of IPC, 364A of IPC. You need to know this section now. If India has done something at the United Nations level, you will need to keep a track of this. बिकॉज प्रीलिम्स में करंट अफेयर्स का अगर जिस भी स्टेट का आप एग्जाम दे रहे हैं अगर वहाँ पे करंट अफेयर्स और स्टैटिक जी पे काफ़ी अच्छा खासा फोकस है जो कि होता ही है. सो करंट अफेयर्स यू कांट लेट गो और साथ साथ आप ये वाला काम करेंगे. आफ्टर यू हैव कंप्लीटेड आउट दो सब्जेक्ट्स देन यू कम टू द पति पत्नी स्टैंडर्ड इज आईपीसी एंड सीआरपीसी एंड देन साथ में बेसिकली इनकी तिगड़ी चलती है तीनों के. Because you can't study on a judiciary entrance level, you can't study these subjects in isolation. IPC, yeah, maybe, but then the judiciary examination is testing you on your capacity to be a judge at the subordinate level. So they're not checking you whether you can be a judge at the Supreme Court level, at the lowest most, the subordinate level. In fact, you're not even a judge there, you're mostly a magistrate. Now, whatever think about it from the examiner's point of view, and you will start figuring out that maybe you need not focus on the entire each and every line of CRPC. And then, as a magistrate, what are the provisions here? So you need to know about cognizance, you need to know about FIRs, you need to know about charge, you basically need to know about the entire procedure. Maybe not so much as to what the High Court is doing. Obviously, that doesn't mean that you skip out 482, and it's very tough to, in fact, explain this just over a brief intro video of what to do and how to prepare, right? So the most important bits ये तीनों एक्ट साथ में चलेंगी. आपकी पहले बेर एक्ट चलेगी और साथ में फिर आपके जो भी सेमेस्टर के अंदर, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू आर इन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, देन केस मटेरियल के अंदर जितने भी केस लॉज हैं, यू नीड टू मेक शॉर्ट समरीज एंड कीप देम रेडी. One trick is to prepare model answers in advance. So if they ask you a question, let us say that they ask you to explain attempt under 511 of the IPC, Abhay Anand Mishra का case has to be prepared beforehand. कि आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि मैं जी अटेम्प्ट का अगर केस लिख के आ रहा हूँ, अटेम्प्ट के बारे में जानकारी देकर आ रहा हूँ, तो अभय आनंद मिश्रा मतलब लिखना ही लिखना है. देयर इज जस्ट नो वे आउट ऑफ इट. जस्ट लाइक आपके ऑफर के अंदर हमारा स्मोक बॉल वाला केस जाता ही जाता है, राइट? जैसे एशबी वर्सेस वाइट जाना ही जाना है. इट्स लाइक अ मॉडल आंसर. यू नीड टू हैव मॉडल आंसर्स prepared. All right. We also provide online coaching, which is absolutely not necessary. Can this exam be prepared on your own? As in, can you prepare for this exam on your own, take a valid shot? Yeah, you know, who or rather which exam is there on this planet that cannot be done by self preparation? Just that coaching provides you a structure. Self preparation में अगर आप खुद स्ट्रक्चर वर्चर लगा सकते हैं और खुद you can figure out what to do and more importantly what not to do, well great, then we'll go ahead with it. It's as simple as that, right? ठीक है जी. तो आप ये काम बेसिकली साथ साथ करेंगे. Then you come to basically what I call, अच्छा एक भूत और रह गया. So then CPC को आप कंबाइन कर लेंगे अपनी TPA के साथ साथ चला देंगे. Now CPC, see, CRPC usually what happens is that the Supreme Court keeps on clarifying. So each year there are about 10 to 15 odd judgments in which the Supreme Court is clarifying on what the magistrate should and should not be doing, and what is the absolute, basically what are the contours of the CRPC, what are the limitations of the CRPC. CPC is voluminous, often also tends to get confusing, but ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं किया जा सकता. Then we come to साथ साथ limitation, and साथ साथ limitation के बाद arbitration, अगर आपका state basically is explicitly asking for this. ठीक है जी. Now this, to prepare all of this, मतलब ये सारा ये जो ambit है ये आसान काम नहीं है. आसान in the sense ये मतलब ये नहीं कि मतलब 5 दिन में सोचा और पहुंच गए जुडिशरी पेपर में. Roughly speaking, 8 months if you are like completely dedicated towards it, but mostly around depending on your scheme 15 year लिख रहा हूँ मैं, it's 15 months. No, it's not 15 years at least, right? This is pretty much a decent enough time frame in which you need each and every model answer to be prepared. आपके पास सब कुछ पहले से तैयार होना चाहिए. This is one similar approach that we follow in the law optional to tackle the optional of law in the UPSC as well. to prepare model answers in advance. So whenever the question, for example, amendability of the constitution, well, then you trace out stuff from Golaknath, or rather, from the First Amendment till Keshavanand Bharati, and basically elucidate the fight that whether a constitutional amendment is a law within the meaning, or rather meaning of the word law in Article 13. That's pretty much your answer. You need to have prepared it beforehand. Question चाहे जैसे मर्जी घूमे, you need to be tackling it. It's as simple as that, right? तो अगर चलिए और इसको ज़रा ऊपर कर लेते हैं. Hopefully the board allows us. As usual, it does not allow us. Now it's allowed us. तो पहले the easier acts. So in the first module, let's target constitution. Let's target torts. Let's target contract plus इनकी जो specific relief act, sales of good act, partnership act, all associated stuff. Some bit of company law also you can introduce, but ज़्यादातर company law is LLM level. You can pretty much skip it here as well, क्योंकि company law is usually एक दो बारी मैंने सवाल आते हुए देखे in prelims, but then those are but obvious questions like doctrine of corporate weal, etc. But they usually don't ask you such laws. Why? Because at the most subordinate level अब आप सीधे तो NCLT में point नहीं हो रहे, right? So there and then they don't even test you on it. ये मॉड्यूल का मैं काम करता हूँ कि जी मैं पहले अपना roughly speaking give myself 2 months and prepare this. In my second preparation I come to अच्छा अब सेमेस्टर है, साथ साथ अगर आपके एग्जाम है तो obviously you double the time to 4 months, right? Then we go to आपका IPC, CRPC, evidence. So this is one module. Then you go to CPC, then you go to TPA, दूसरा module. This should take you another 4 months to prepare, right? And alongside, you'll have to keep an eye out on current affairs. So mostly each and every coaching academy that exists, in the market, and whoever's preparing for judiciary, the only advantage that you get, and it pretty much is the only advantage. एक तो teacher की commentary always helps. If it's a good teacher, then obviously they can explain to you the subject much better. It's just that this headache gets removed because you're paying someone money to do this. Their study material, of course, is updated and upgraded on a regular basis. Then they are in charge of tracking all this. जिस भी स्टेट का आप एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं उसकी रेलेवेंट हाई कोर्ट की जजमेंट अगर कोई प्रोमिनेंट वाली आई है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट की कोई जजमेंट आई है, स्टैटिक जीके आपने प्रिपेयर करनी है. स्टैटिक जीके में लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल अब इस टाइम अटल टनल हैज़ बिकम पार्ट ऑफ स्टैटिक जीके विच विल नाउ फॉर एवर बी रिमेनिंग अ वैलिड क्वेश्चन. यूनाइटेड नेशंस के ऊपर द मॉड्यूल इज देयर. Ancillary थोड़ी प्रीलिम्स में कभी कभार IPR stuff such as that also pops up. So it's you will have to make a very structured timetable and get into a very it's all about the routine and then executing the plan. All right, so it's bare acts plus case laws, and there is no commentary on the planet that reigns supreme over the bare act, because at the end of the day, चाहे वो मोदी जी हो, चाहे आपके जस्टिस चंद्रचूड़ हो, चाहे कोई भी हो, चलेंगे तो वो कानून के हिसाब से ही, और कानून पे ही आपकी टेस्टिंग हो रही है. ये नहीं कि आपने कितनी ज़्यादा डेप्थ में DD वासु पढ़ रखी है और उसके बारे में आप कितनी ज़्यादा आपके पास PhD लेवल ज्ञान है. क ख ग, the basics, the fundamentals overrule everything, and that is the bare act. It's as simple as that. And then what are these case laws about? They are just, you can say, एक तीसरा ओपिनियन है कि अच्छा ये फैक्ट्स कैसे इस बेयर एक्ट के साथ कोलाइड करेंगे या आप अलाइन करेंगे. आप उसको कहीं पे आपके पास कंफ्यूजन है, what is doctrine of eclipse exactly, that whether that word void is actually void in Article 13. यही तो है कि is it void in the strict English sense, and once that law has been voided, can it be gotten back to life? That's pretty much. So the doctrine of eclipse. So we need a case law to explain this funda. So technically speaking, all case laws are also explaining the bare acts only in greater detail. That's what they're testing you on. That's pretty much it. वाइवा में दे अगेन थोड़ा बहुत यहाँ से क्वेश्चंस के बारे में रिपीट कर लेते हैं, थोड़ा बहुत, थोड़ा सा प्रेशर टेस्ट करके देख लेते हैं कि आदमी की पर्सनालिटी सूटेड भी है टू बिकम eventually a judge of a high court, etc., or become a session judge. कि थोड़ा सा देखते हैं कि भाई क्या ये आदमी प्रेशर में टूट रहा है या नहीं, बिकॉज इट्स प्रेशर वाली जॉब ही है. बिकॉज कभी नेताजी का प्रेशर आया, कभी किसी गुंडे का प्रेशर आएगा, प्रेशर तो आना ही है. तो फिर प्रेशर में कहीं आदमी द पर्सन's personality is not collapsing. And then obviously English is a standard module. I haven't even spoken about it because this is primarily laws. तो पहले ये करके देखते हैं, साथ साथ अंग्रेजी स्टैंडर्ड आपकी prepositions, homonyms, homophones rather, and antonyms, synonyms, etc. वो काम चलता ही रहता है. This is pretty much, this is how you, technically speaking, net go about it. पहला कदम यहाँ से शुरू करेगा, जो चीज़ आती है, जो चीज़ आप पढ़कर आ रहे हैं ऑलरेडी, देन गो डाउन टू दी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड स्टफ. आईपीसी भी आप पढ़ के ही आ रहे होंगे मोस्टली. आजकल तो एलएलबी एंट्रेंस में डीयू में तो ये भी पूछ लेते, डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ ट्रांसफर्ड मैलिस किस सेक्शन में दिया गया है आईपीसी में. दैट्स एलएलबी लेवल क्वेश्चन दीज डेज. तो यहाँ से आप शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. एंड आई बिलीव दैट इफ यू आर motivated enough over a long run, 8 महीने तक, 8 महीने 1 साल अपनी मोटिवेशन लगानी जरा थोड़ी कठिन हो जाती है, बिकॉज द विल पावर एंड मोटिवेशन वर्क्स इन वेव्स. तो अगर आप वो कंटिन्यू आउट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस इज प्रीटी मच ए फाइट बिटवीन यू एंड योर सेल्फ, बिकॉज यहाँ पे कॉन्टिन्यूएशन लगानी पड़ती है. क्वाइट अ डिसेंटली लॉन्ग इनफ जर्नी. समझ लीजिए आप पैदल जा रहे हैं दिल्ली से वैष्णो देवी, पैदल सारा, ऑल द रास्ता एंड ऑल द रास्ता बैक. चल दिए तो मंदिर भी पहुंच ही जाएंगे, ऐसी कोई दिक्कत की बात नहीं है. एंड या दैट्स अबाउट इट. ठीक है जी, ऑलराइट, सी यू, टेक केयर, बाय.